Habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a writ that is enforced to protect the fundamental right to liberty of an individual against unlawful detention. Through habeas corpus, Supreme Court, High Court orders one person who have arrested another person to bring the body of the latter before the court. Facts. The Supreme Court or the High Court can issue this writ against both private and public authorities. Habeas corpus cannot be issued in the following cases: when detention is lawful, when the proceeding is for the contempt of a legislature or a court, detention is by a competent court, and detention is outside the jurisdiction of the court. Then certiorari. The writ of certiorari is issued to a lower court directing that a transfer of the case for review, usually to overrule the judgment of the lower court. The Supreme Court issues a writ of certiorari in the case of the decision passed by the lower court is challenged by the party. Certiorari is a writ. It is issued in a case the higher court finds it is a matter of the over jurisdiction or the lack of jurisdiction. Means in the case of over jurisdiction or the lack of jurisdiction, the certiorari writ is issued. Literal meaning of this writ of the certiorari is to be certified or to be informed. The writ is issued by a court higher in authority to a lower court or a tribunal, ordering them either to transfer a case pending with them to itself or squash their order in a case. It is issued on the grounds of the excess of jurisdiction or the lack of jurisdiction or the error of the law. It not only prevents but also cures the mistakes of the judiciary. Certiorari writ can be issued against administrative, legislative and private individuals or bodies. Next, third is the prohibition. The literal meaning of the prohibition is to forbid. A court that is higher in a position issues a prohibition writ against a court that is lower in a position to prevent the latter from exceeding its jurisdiction or observing a jurisdiction that it does not possess. It directs inactivity. Means before jurisdiction, the court orders not to give that judgment. Writ of prohibition can only be issued against judicial and quasi-judicial authorities. It cannot be issued against the administrative authorities, the legislative bodies and the private individuals or the bodies. Next is the writ mandamus. The writ of mandamus is issued to a subordinate court, an officer of the government or the cooperation or other institution commanding the performance of a certain acts or duties. Unlike habeas corpus, mandamus cannot be issued against a private individual. The writ of mandamus can be used to order the completion of a task, or in other cases it can require an activity to be ceased. Literal meaning of this writ is we command. The writ is used by the court to order a public official who has failed to perform his duty or a refusal to do his duty to resume his work. Besides the public officials, mandamus can be issued against any public body, a corporation, an inferior court, a tribunal or a government for the same purpose. Means here to direct somebody to complete that work or do the work properly, such type of writ mandamus is issued. Facts. Mandamus cannot be issued against a private individual. It cannot be issued in the following cases: to enforce departmental instruction that does not possess statutory force, to order someone to work when the kind of the work is discretionary and not mandatory, to enforce a contractual obligation. Mandamus cannot be issued against the Indian President or the state governors or the Chief Justice of the High Court acting in a judicial capacity. Fifth writ is the quo warranto. So quo warranto is issued against a person who claims or observes a public office. Through this writ, the court inquires by what authority the person supports his or her claim. By what authority is the meaning of the quo warranto. Through this writ, the court inquires into the legality of a claim of a person to a public office. This writ prevents the illegal assumption of a public office by an individual. Literal meaning of the writ of quo warranto is by what authority or a warrant. And facts, it cannot be issued against private or ministerial office. Quo warranto is a special form of a legal action used to resolve a dispute over whether a specific person has a legal right to hold the public office that he or she occupies. So here we have completed the 5 writs: habeas corpus, certiorari, prohibition, mandamus, and quo warranto.